vehicle cleaning, hot water high-pressure cleaners are used in most cases. Hard water containing lime causes scale build-up when it's heated. In order to avoid this happening, the electronic control of a Karcher HDS adds RM110 liquid water softener to the water. Water hardness is determined as follows. Measure off 5 milliliters of water. Add 1 drop of indicator fluid. Slowly add titrating solution until the color changes from red to green. The water hardness can now be read off the scale. In this example, it is 16 degrees German hardness. The Karcher service technician can now set the liquid water softener feed rate on the high-pressure cleaner's electronic control. The dosage is preset at the factory for a water hardness of 25 degrees. The large built-in fuel tank has to be filled with heating oil or diesel before starting the hot water high-pressure cleaner. Similarly, the tanks for liquid water softener and detergent also have to be filled. In our example of car washing using the two-step method, Tank 1, Chem 1, is filled with undiluted RM81. Tank 2, Chem 2, with a hot wax solution consisting of 1 part hot wax to 3 parts water. This dilution improves the accuracy of dosing small quantities and helps minimize consumption. On 3-phase machines, it's necessary to check the direction of rotation of the motor to ensure correct operation of the burner. You hold your hand carefully above the flue to check the exhaust airflow and thus confirm that the direction of rotation is correct. If necessary, change the direction of rotation on the pole reversing plug. Car body washing can be performed using one of 3 different methods. The two-step method with detergent, the two-step method with foam, and the one-step method.